Hey everybody, thanks for coming back and checking out our video. I'm Marty with Wheels with Marty. Thanks for coming back and checking out our video. Welcome back to the channel. Got another product right here for you guys. This is the rear diffuser, or rear bumper cover as they call it, which it's a rear diffuser for the Model Y. They just sent it to me from EV Base. Just came in yesterday, so we're going to install it and see what it looks like. It's gloss, and so it's going to match the front lip that they sent me and the spoiler, so I think it's all going to look really good. It covers up the matte piece that's on the bottom of the bumper. So let's get in that video right now. Alright, so here we are, and again, they sent you the tape, because if you watch these videos before, they love this double-sided tape. Got plenty of that, and this time they actually gave you a manual, the QR code for instructions, and then of course the mounting screws. And here's the lip, the diffuser. So it's gloss, as you can see it matches, and it has the nice, so if I can get this a little bit closer there for you guys. So it has the nice vents, like the runners, or what are you going to call it, right here underneath. So it's going to give it a nice gloss look, a little bit more of a sporty look to it. And go put it right down here on the bottom of this thing, over this plastic piece right here. I'm going to try to do this again without lifting the car up. Don't know if I'll be able to do that or not, but my understanding is it just mounts up like this, kind of like that. And yeah, so underneath your car you got these fins, and this is actually molded, I believe. Yeah, it's actually molded perfectly. There's slots underneath here, these little slots right here, and these fins underneath it go right into those slots. So that is going to go right there just like that. And that is going to look really good back there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out these instructions, make sure I think I'm doing this how I think I'm supposed to. And on this diffuser, you'll see there's already the little pre-drilled holes. If that'll focus on that right there. Let me get my hand in there. There it is. So there's already these pre-drilled holes right here, right? And then here's the slot I was just pointing at. This goes on the factory fin that's underneath the car. So all these little slots right here, there's 4 of them, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Those just slide in to that fin like that, and you'll screw it in these pre-drilled hole locations. And what I'm going to do is, I'm pretty sure the tutorial is going to tell me to line this top part with that tape. So however much it tells me to put on here, I'm actually going to put more. I'm just going to fill this whole thing up with tape, because that's how I like to hold these things on. So I'm going to get this started over here for you guys right now. Alright, so I have pulled up the manual, I scanned the QR code, and as you can see on here, when you scan the QR code, it actually gives you an actual thorough instructions on here. So this one isn't like some of the other ones where you have the guesswork to kind of figure it out. This actually gives you an in-depth, complete, start to finish on how to do it. Okay, so I've got the, I went ahead and did all the taping. So you can see I got all the tape on here, like everywhere, right? So I'm very OCD, and I drive very fast all the time. So you don't have to use this much. Really, you just put a strip around the whole edge and you're fine, but I completely overkilled this. The reason why I overkilled it is because I'm thinking that, like, when it's underneath the car, if there's any air like grabbing it and pulling back on it like this, with how fast I drive, I just overkilled it. You don't have to do it like this, but this is what I did. I used all the tape. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the car now. So we have it, all the stuff peeled off of it, so we're just going to slide this on, and the tape should hold it on good enough for me to like get underneath with the drill and then actually put the screws in to really secure it. So let's hope I get this right on the first try, since I used all the tape. Just going to slide it underneath here, and we'll find that vent fin. Kind of use that to be my guide to line this up. somewhere. Got that one. That one. All right, let's get this on here. I'm gonna hold it in place for a minute. Make sure stuff gets really tacked on there. I might tape it to really hold it. I think I'm gonna tape it, let it sit overnight. But the tape is like popping right there. Kind of popping everywhere, honestly. But so it's on there. I'm going to use the screws to secure it now, and that'll be it. So let's see if we can get underneath there with that drill. We're going to use these little small ones. See how this goes. I think that I'm going to add some more. I think I'm going to use some of these self-tapping screws to add a few of these in there. They didn't have it in the instructions, but look at all, they sent me a ton of these like screws. You don't need to use all these. I already tell you that. But looking at it, put all these screws in there, you got an issue. I put that one in between number 2 fin. Alright, she shouldn't be going anywhere now. Alright guys, so you can see here they do give you like way more screws than what you need. You'll never put all of these in there. So what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to take some of this painter's tape. And I'm going to tape it up, but first let me show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so you can see here kind of what it looks like from back here. It lines in there perfectly. Sits right inside of the like the mat area that was here before. It sits right inside there, nice and perfect, lined up all the way down through there, all the way around the edge. And so you got these nice fins underneath here. Oops. So it's kind of what you look like from the back here now. So it gives it a nice little sporty look to it. See if I can increase this light some for you guys here. There we are. So it gives you that nice look there, and so you can tell too with that diffuser there, it matches in with that spoiler there. And the front lip, of course, so we have the front lip up here. In case y'all didn't see that install video, we do have the front lip, and so it all just blends in, ties it all in really nicely there. Alright, so that was the EV base install. I'm going to have the description below, will be the link in there for the lip. It'll also have my discount code. If you click my link, you can have whatever the percentage off is. I think it's 20% off. I can't remember, honestly, because it was Black Friday when I'm filming this, so all the discounts are all over the place. So yeah, the link below in the description will be to the diffuser, to the website with my coupon code, my Amazon store, anything I use to film with. Again, if you haven't watched my previous videos, if you watched some of my old videos but not anything recent, This is a different location for a garage, just temporarily, while we're in between some places here that we're living while we get like the house we want, the bigger, nicer garage for you guys to see all the content in. But so yeah, that looks really good, super easy to install. All I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put some painter's tape on the top where I put all that double-sided tape at. I'm gonna go around, I'm just gonna tape that up, and it's gonna sit there overnight, and then I'll come back and peel it off because that'll help it make sure that tape sticks on there good. So make sure to thumbs up the video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, guys. And make sure you watch all the videos because we are now partnered. Let's get it going. Thanks, guys. See y'all. Bye.